Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I know we are all receiving an explosion of new information at this event, so even though I will talk about artificial intelligence, I will try to keep this talk as simple as possible and fun for everyone that is listening. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Svetlana, founder and CEO of Pixyle.ai. I've been working in the field of artificial intelligence for 14 years now. Besides my love for technology, as a big fashionista myself, I founded Pixyle 3 years ago with the goal to revolutionize the fashion industry in the complete value chain, from product information management all the way up to the way we shop online. In this talk, I will focus closely on showing you how you can use AI and computer vision to grow your fashion business faster. So what is artificial intelligence? In simple words, artificial intelligence is the development of computer systems to perform tasks for which usually human intelligence is needed. AI has advanced enormously in the past few years, and it's no longer just a fancy buzzword. AI technologies are being implemented all around us. They make us more productive at work or help us choose the right Netflix film. Gartner predicts that by 2024, AI technologies will replace almost 69% of the manager's workload. Now, if you start being worried about is AI going to take our jobs, please don't. The technology is here to support us in our work and make us more productive and better in what we do. And here is how. Fashion is all about images, but also about how well you manage to present them to your shoppers. Your goal is to inspire them to make a purchase and you to make sales. One great rule for great customer experience is to make it easy. Make it easy for your online store visitors to navigate through your collection and make it easy for them to quickly find what they're looking for. The current industry norm is on how this is done is by providing filtering options on the e-commerce stores. So for example, all items are first categorized by gender and then by product category, like jeans, t-shirts, dresses, and so on. And if I would like to additionally filter by color or pattern, I can click through the filters in each category. This type of product data is crucial for any e-commerce store to function properly. However, this process of categorizing items and assigning attributes like V-neck, black, but also more complex ones, like business casual, is still done manually and is proven to be slow, costly, and imprecise. Fashion is all about images, and the meaning we give to them are open for interpretation. So the good news is that naming, describing, and classifying products can now be done with the help of artificial intelligence. A new technology tool called automatic tagging can help you automatically assign tags to products. So all the data you need to run your e-commerce store can now be generated automatically only from your product images. So now you must wonder, how does this work? Computer vision and AI models can process images and recognize fashion items. This technology has been trained by data scientists on millions of fashion images, with products ranging in different categories like earrings, shoes, dresses, coats, carefully labeled with expert fashion data. Simply put, we teach a computer to see. They are now able to process images and recognize what's in them. Now to answer another question you might have, how easy it is to integrate and use. The good news is it's super easy. I will quickly show you now how this works on our online platform. It only takes 3 steps. First, you can upload an image or a collection of images. These images are then sent to the AI tagging tool for processing. And lastly, the automatically generated tags are sent back to you to use them for your business needs. You can upload the images yourself by hand, or the automatic tagging system can be integrated directly into your e-commerce platform, PIM or DAM solution, or any other system where you store your data. For everyone curious to see how this works in real time for free, you can visit demo.pixyle.ai, upload an image, and get freely generated text directly from it in just a second. So what are the benefits of using automatic tagging? First, assigning product data automatically will significantly increase the speed, scale, and complexity of items that you can onboard on your e-commerce store. You will also save tons of time. Imagine having to include thousands of new items on your online store. How much time would your employees need to spend on categorizing and organizing this data? And just for a quick comparison, AI-powered automatic tagging can tag up to 10,000 products in less than an hour. You will also improve product discovery. By providing enriched filtering options on your online store, you can provide better product recommendations and better textual search. And all this will increase your customer shopping experience and help you get more sales. And lastly, you will also gain more insightful analytics, which can support you in making very important business decisions, like for example, what to order for your next season. So far, I've talked about the tagging process itself, but I would also like to stress out how important is the fashion taxonomy in this process. Imagine 30% of your customers' target group suddenly gets excited about puff sleeve sweaters, because some celebrity was wearing it. They come to your store and they will first look into the filters to see if they can filter for these kind of sweaters. If this is not available, they might start a textual search and type puff sleeves in the text field. And boom, they get no results. And they leave. When actually 10% of your sweaters are with puff sleeves, but just not tagged with it. So you missed on sales. Now imagine some of your customers manage to buy puff sleeve sweaters because they're more persistent and they browse through your collection. When you look at your sales analytics later, you'll see that sweaters were sold well, but did not manage to notice that puff sleeves were actually the detail that made those sweaters sell. So in the next order you made, you did not order any puff sleeves. And with this decision, you actually missed on tons of sales that could have improved your online business. We at Pixyle are very aware of the importance of having rich data associated with your products. And that's why in the past 3 years, we worked on creating the most extensive fashion taxonomy there is, with over 400 descriptive tags, ranging from type, color, pattern, material, and to details like zipper. You can see our fashion taxonomy on fashion-taxonomy.pixyle.ai, or just scan the QR code that you see on the screen. So far I've talked about textual product filtering and textual search. Now imagine your customer's journey starting from the point where your customers see a shirt on Instagram and they want to buy one just like that. Maybe this shirt is blue with a V-neck and a flowery pattern. So what they would do is go to their favorite e-commerce store and start clicking through the filters. They first select shirts and then the color blue and then look for the flowery pattern. They get product results and start scrolling to find a similar shirt. Once they get to the 5th product page, they get tired and leave. Again, you missed on sales. Now imagine, instead of doing all that, to be able to just upload the image you just saw in an online store and instantly get similarly looking recommendations to buy. This type of search is called visual search with an image. It's AI powered and it's able to process thousands of images in less than a second to find a similar match for you. The great news is that although this might look very complicated, they're actually plug and play ready to use tools that you can use and very easily add to your online store. By implementing visual search, you allow your customers to easily discover your products with just one click. You're shortening the customer's journey from search to purchase. Gartner predicts that this year, early adopter brands that will redesign their websites to support visual and voice search will increase digital commerce revenue by 30%. So even though in 5 years' time, having visual search on your e-commerce site will become the norm, just as textual search is now, being among the first ones to include search with an image would also give you a pure benefit and a better brand image at this moment. Visual search is all about seeing something somewhere on social media or taking a photo of some dress you have in your closet maybe and uploading it on an online store to find a similar one to buy. Now imagine a scenario where you see a product you like on the online store, but your size is out of stock. It happened to all of us, I believe. You become a bit frustrated because you've wanted something just like that. So you have two options: to either leave because you got upset, or go back and keep searching to find something else you might like. With AI-powered similar recommendations, similar alternatives to shop are directly presented to your customers. You can visually transfer out of stock to in stock in seconds and make sure you never miss a sale. Visual AI technologies can be used for many use cases besides the ones I just talked about. At Pixyle.ai, we are working with different marketplaces, multi-brand, outlet, and sustainable fashion, and also with fashion technology partners like digital fashion wholesale, trend forecasting, and business intelligence solutions, digital asset management, and so on. We are also powering B2C apps for style personalization and digitalizing your wardrobe. And please note, visual AI solutions can help fashion retailers get over 75% higher conversion rates and increase average order value by 40%. The world is now digital and the AI-enabled future is here. My advice would be to start investing in the new tech trends now and win the customer experience game, because customers go to shop in stores where the shopping is intuitive and easy. If you would like to try for free any of these use cases I've mentioned, you can request a free trial on our website, Pixyle.ai, or feel free to contact me and tell me that you've heard my talk at the Digital Fashion Week, and I would love to have a call and talk with you. So thanks to everyone for listening. Enjoy the rest of the conference.